Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use the COUNTIFs function. For example, each row is considered as one patient. So the first patient is in medicine ward, has diabetes, and the total expenditure incurred is around 10,000 rupees. So like this, the data is given. Now, if I want to know how many number of patients are present in surgery ward with diabetes as a comorbidity, I can use the COUNTIFs formula. Okay, so the formula is COUNTIFs criteria range. So my criteria range, first criteria is going to be ward. So the criteria range is equal to A2 is to A15. So this is my criteria range, and the criteria is surgery ward. That is whatever I'm entering here, that should be my criteria. So the address is F4, F4. Okay, and the second criteria should be the comorbidity. Okay, here in case diabetes. So my range for the comorbidity is between B2 is to B15, and the criteria is here in this cell. That is in this case diabetes. So G4. So the value displayed here will count the number of patients in surgery ward with diabetes. Okay. Now, if I want to see the number of patients in surgery ward with hypertension, then if I simply type hypertension, it will show the number of patients. If I want to see number of patients in medicine with hypertension, then the number is 2. Likewise, this COUNTIFs formula can be used. Thank you.